Hi everybody, this is CR number 11, helper video number 1. First thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the equation. It says how many solutions are possible for the equation. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write the equation down here. I have 5 times 3 minus x equals 4 times x minus 3. As we all know, the first thing we have to do is get rid of our parentheses. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to circle the number on the outside. I know I'm distributing it to each term on the inside. 5 times 3 is 15. A positive times a negative is a negative. 5 times x is 5x. And that equals, circle this term on the outside, 4 times x is 4x. And a positive times a negative is a negative, and 4 times 3 is 12. Go ahead and draw your ladder. I bring all my x values to the left side so that it's easier for me to solve. Sorry about my voice, I keep losing it. I have negative 9x on this side. I bring down the 15, and that still equals negative 12 on the other side. Now I know I have to bring my constants to the left side, so I'm subtracting 15 on both sides. And I'm just going to rewrite my work up here, so I'm left with negative 9x equals, and remember I have 12 negatives here, 15 more negatives here, so I have a total of 27 negatives. I divide both sides by negative 9 to get x by itself. And my value is x equals 3. But the question asks me, how many solutions do I have? Well, you just found your solution. The only value that will work in this situation is 3, so there's only one solution. Good luck with number 1.